His guru, both in music and in lifestyle. He used the simple language of the people. Here is a song in which Purandara Dasa merely lists the excuses women will give for not offering alms. I am washing the pots. I am sweeping the floor. I don't know where the others have gone. I am feeding the baby on my lap. I cannot give alms, my hands are soiled, and the children are crying, so please go away. I have to collect the rice from the attic. I have a stomachache. I have my period and there is no one at home.
ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ದವಸವನ ತಂದೆ ಕೂಸಿಗೆ ಸಾಲದು ಹೋಗೋದಾಸಯ್ಯ ಆಸೆಗಾರ ನೀನು ದೋಷಗಾರಿ ನಾನು ಶೇಷಾಚಲವಾಸ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ.
The irony is gentle, the tone affectionate, and the language seems to emerge effortlessly from the day's domestic activities.
ಹೋಗೋದಾಸಯ್ಯ ಇಕ್ಕಲಾರೆ ಕೈ ಎಂಜಲು ಇಕ್ಕಲಾರೆ ಕೈ ಎಂಜಲು ಇಕ್ಕಲಾರೆ ಕೈ ಎಂಜಲು
ಇಕ್ಕಲಾರದ ಕೈ ಎಂಜಲು.
She has just shut the door, that wretched woman. The latch is still shaking.
ಕೈಗಾಳಿ ಮೂಳಿ ಕದವ ಮುಚ್ಚಿದಳಿದೆಕೋ ಕೈಗಾಳಿ ಮೂಳಿ ಕದವ ಮುಚ್ಚಿದಳಿದೆಕೋ ಚಿಲಕ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಚಿಲಕ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದ ಪಾಪವು ಹೋದೀತು ಹೊರಗೆಂದು ಕದವ ಮುಚ್ಚಿದಳಿದೆಕೋ ಕೈಗಾಳಿ.
She has shut the door,
ಕದವ
lest the sins inside the house should spill out into the street.